No-bake cheesecakes make an easy dessert without turning on the oven, which is perfect for those warmer months. With its silky, creamy filling, this no-bake cheesecake comes together quickly. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. Using a hand or stand mixer, mix 2 8-ounce bricks of softened cream cheese on a medium speed until completely smooth. Make sure to use cream cheese bricks that are completely softened before mixing to ensure a smooth consistency for this no-bake cheesecake. Scrape down the bowl and make sure all the cream cheese is completely mixed and smooth. Add 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix the powdered sugar into the cream cheese to prevent it from dusting when using the mixer. Start mixing again on a low speed until all of the ingredients are fully combined and the batter is smooth. I suggest using brick cream cheese and not whipped cream cheese since it will change the consistency. Scrape down the bowl and make sure all of the ingredients are fully mixed in. Add 1 cup of heavy cream to a chilled stainless steel mixing bowl with the whisk attachment chilled as well. Using a hand or stand mixer with the chilled whisk attachment, mix the heavy cream on a low speed, gradually increasing to a high speed until stiff peaks form. Make sure not to overmix the whipping cream, which will cause it to become clumpy and dense. Scrape down the sides of the bowl, making sure it's completely mixed. Add the whipped heavy cream to the cream cheese mixture and mix until combined. No-bake cheesecakes definitely have a different consistency than baked cheesecakes, but they are still really good and take a lot less time. In a 9-inch pie plate, use a store-bought or homemade graham cracker crust. I am using my homemade graham cracker crust recipe, which I will link in the video description below. Add the filling mixture to the graham cracker crust. Spread the filling mixture evenly over the graham cracker crust and smooth out the top to make sure that it reaches the edges of the pie plate. Chill this no-bake cheesecake in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours or overnight for it to set. Once set, cut into the no-bake cheesecake and enjoy. Add your favorite topping like strawberry syrup or whipped cream to this no-bake cheesecake. Check out other topping recipes for this no-bake cheesecake in the link above or the video description below. This no-bake cheesecake will last in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or in the freezer in a freezer-safe container for up to 2 months. Thank you so much for watching. Come back soon to bake more good things.